So today we have this nice modern dog feeder. It comes with the left and right piece and the piece to hold it up and a couple screws, a little tiny little wrench, and 2 bowls. So let's go ahead and assemble. So here's the stand itself, very nice. You can also adjust it depending on the size of your dog. Right now it's at the largest setting. So here's the food feeder itself. Very easy, it took me about 5 minutes to set up. Are you ready to eat? Looks like he's ready. So as you can see, he's not bent down as much as he would usually be if he was on the floor.